Okay, YouTube, yesterday I did an unboxing. Well, it was already unboxed, really, but of the Grylls compact multi-tool. And today we're just going to kind of go over a better reviewing of it. Because yesterday was kind of a terrible video. Sorry to do this. Hold on. Okay, like yesterday, spring-loaded pliers, needle nose, wire cutters, wait a second. It's nice. Like every Grylls product, it has a signature on it. Sorry about the sun in the way. Okay. So there's that. And there's two blades on there. And I'm just gonna let you know, if you get the Grylls Ultimate Survival Kit and you want this, don't worry about getting this if you're gonna get the Ultimate Kit, because this thing is the same thing as the Gerber clutch, which I believe it's the same. It looks exactly the same. It has this and all that, some of the same tools, but it's the same size, just different handling. Okay, so I'm gonna get this out real quick. So here's the serrated blade. Full size blade. Has another one. This is serration. You could sharpen these, but it's actually pretty simple if you have the right type of sharpener. You don't it's different to sharpen these than the fine edge. Fine edges are way more simpler. Probably get it out. There we go. I made a spear not too long ago. It was quite a long time ago, but yeah, and this is probably more useful for serrations, because serrations are more cutting twigs and all that. This is for, you can use these for whittling, which is what I like about it. So it's a good tool, honestly. I've used both blades. I haven't had any reason. Screwdrivers are only useful if you have something and you're out in the wild and you have something with you and you have to take it apart. So let me try to get another tool out. There's only two tools that have nail nicks, which are the blades. Nail nicks are, some people don't know what they are, but they're those little holes so you can stick your nails. This thing, when you see it, it's going to look like a screwdriver at first, but if you actually look at it, these are the tweezers. Small little tweezers. You can use these for like getting a splinter out if you're out in the wild, and then, because you don't want it to get infected, get that out and then bandage it up. There's actually more tools with nail nicks. There's the flathead screwdriver. Let me get this up. Which, the flathead, none of them are like locked. They're not really locked. All you do is push it, but it stays still pretty well. I gotta move it around to keep the sun out. But I don't want it too dark. Okay, anyway, flathead with a bottle opener, easily function. It's real simple to put them away. You can just use your thumb. And the knives, you gotta be a little more careful. See, these are one of the tools with the nail nicks. The Phillips screwdriver is kind of difficult to get out, because the nail nicks are a little deeper down. There we go. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I've only really used the blades, so I haven't really had anything wrong with it. I'll probably have another video after this, and it'll be using the wire cutters. Okay, so I got through the screwdriver, both screwdrivers, and the bottle opener. Tweezers. Wait, no. Oh, there's one more thing. And then here's a smaller flathead. And it says there's 10 tools, but we're gonna count them. So there's both blades that are 2. That's 2. The tweezers, and then the small flathead. That's 4. And then the bottle opener, the bigger flathead. Well, that just won't fit, but there we go. So we left off with 4. The bottle opener, big flathead, that's 6, and it's dark again. Phillips head, that's 7. The key ring right here for a keychain counts as 8. That's what they say on the back of the box. Needle nose, pliers, 9, and then the wire cutters are 10. So it's not 10 tools, well, it's not 9 tools down here. One's not even a tool. It says it's a tool, but it's not a tool, which is the key ring. It's just a way to attach it, which that's what really got me a little bit mad when I got the box. It takes up really no room in your pocket. I'd rather have it in my pocket so I won't have to remove my keychain. So yeah, it's really durable for a small one. And I like these, how if there's a twig a little too big, you can put it in that hole and just like kind of crack it apart. Okay, well that is it. Follow me on Twitter at Kid Survival Tips, capital K, capital S, and capital T. So the first letter of every word. Kid Survival Tips. I will have a tip up every day. Sometimes I'll miss a day. Follow me on Instagram. It's NinjaPower123. And go to my other channel, NinjaPower321. And watch my other videos on this channel and my other. That is it. Goodbye.